Since I uploaded my last video on the Path Visualizer script, the response has been amazing. A lot of you reached out to tell me how useful the script is for your workflow and how it's helping you produce brand identity videos much faster. Like I promised in that video, I've been working on a second version with new features and major improvements. So today, I'm finally introducing Path Visualizer 2. I've updated a lot of things in this version, but the biggest achievement is that we can now generate Bezier handles right along with the vertex points. And yes, you can export those too. To see exactly how it all works and how to use these new features, stick with me until the end of the video. So we are in After Effects, and as you can see on my screen, there is a circle shape layer, and I already opened previous version of Path Visualizer script. First, I want to demonstrate how I created vertex point with the previous version of this script. So you can see the problems I got. So to do this, simply search path in the search box to reveal the path properties and then select the path property. After that, I click on the first button, so it will automatically create vertex points on this circle. Also, it will generate multiple layers into the timeline, each layer for single vertex shape. And we got a slider control in each layer so we can control the size of the vertex. But in this version of Path Visualizer script, we are unable to generate Bezier handles with the vertex points. Also, it will generate multiple layers. So if we plan to work on a complex shapes, so we got multiple layers as well, and that time, this won't help us to manage the layers. Let me show you an example so you can understand better. So in this composition, you can see I created S letter. And in this shape, there are lots of vertex points. Right now, if I generate a vertex point with this shape layer, so let's see what will happen. So I quickly search path in the search box, and then I select the path property, and when I click on button, so it will generate vertex points on this shape layer. Also, it will give us lots of layers in our timeline. So if you are working on a complex projects and you have multiple shape layers, so with this script, you are unable to manage these layers easily. And as you know that each layer have their own slider control, so you have to manually change each vertex point using the layers. So this is biggest problem I find with script. Alright, so now you knew the limitations and the problems of the previous version of the Path Visualizer script, so we can move forward. To launch Path Visualizer version 2, go to the window option. In the drop-down menu, you will find the Path Visualizer script. Once you launch the script, you can see Path Visualizer script panel on your screen. There are some design changes in this panel. So at the top of this panel, this is an action tab which have 3 different buttons. And below there are 3 different sections, which I explained later in this video. So to use it first, you have to select the shape layer and then you have to click on the Create Path button. So it will automatically create vertex point as well as the Bezier handles on this shape layer. Let me extend the view so you can see it better. And all of this is connected to our shape layer. Also, if you see into the timeline panel, so you can see that this generated only single shape layer, instead multiple shape layers for each vertex point. And this is the biggest improvement we got with this script. Second thing is that look at the effects control panel. In this panel, here I added so many controls like we can control the colors of the vertex point. Simply click on this, and from here, you can change the color of the vertex point. We can change all vertex point color together. This gives us a good functionality and the ease of use. Next thing, we can also change the vertex size as well from this slider control. You can control the size of the Bezier handles as well as width of this line. And the last 3 sliders are the checkbox sliders. So basically, you can turn on and off the vertex point and the Bezier handles instantly as per your requirements. I hope you understand the basics of this script and the features of the script, so I would like to move forward. So in this composition, I animated this circle-shaped layer into our timeline, and I would like to add the vertex point and the Bezier handles to this shape layer. But before that, I would like to explain the other features of this script. For example, you can change the colors of the handles. To change it, simply click on this colored box. So this box is opened, and from here, you can choose your require color. You can do the same with line color as well. Next thing is that you can change the vertex point shape. So right now we have 3 different options in this script: square, circle, and diamond. So right now I'm going to select a diamond-shaped vertex point. By the way, you can also change the shape of the handles. There are also 3 different options, but I keep it as circle. And then I'm going to click on the Create Path button to generate vertex point and the Bezier handles. Right now you can see that our vertex point shape like a diamond because we selected it. Also, if I play the preview, so you can see our vertex point and the Bezier handles move along with the shape. Also, if you do not want to see the overlay of the shape, so you can turn off these layers anytime. Now pay attention for a moment because I would like to explain the important thing. So first of all, if you try to grab this overlay path or the vertex, so you are unable to interact with them directly because they are linked with the shape layer properties. Yes, you can move it, their position, but you can't interact with them. So if you want to change path of this shape, first you have to select the original shape layer into the timeline. And then when you change the vertex point or the Bezier handles, so the overlay path is following the original properties. Hope you understand this simple explanation. Now what if I want to create new vector points on the shape layer? Well, you can do that, and the overlay path automatically updates your vertex point just like this. Or if you click on the Update Path button to update the overlay path. Alright, so you knew the basic setup and the features of the script. But the biggest achievement I got with this script is that we can export it as it is from the After Effects in the final MP4 video footage. Let me export this animation and show it to you. But before that, I would like to add a stroke on this. Then I would like to remove the property from this shape layer so it will look much better. Also, I'm going to change the vertex color to enhance the look. And now it's looking so much artistic. And now we are ready to export this animation from After Effects. So I go to File, then I go to Export. Add to Render Queue. Select the destination folder and hit Render button. There you go, let's see the video footage. There it is, and you can see that we exported this video from the After Effects, and the Bezier handles and the vertex points are there as it is. So there is no longer to use the screen recording. Also, you do not have to give manual effort to build this design in After Effects. Right now, you can do this with the help of this script. So at the end of this tutorial, I would like to demonstrate this script with my real project so you understand how and where you can use this script. So this is a running cycle of the horse which I created for my client logo animation. So first I select all the visible shape layers one by one. And then I click on the Create Path button to generate the vertex point and the Bezier handles. So they start doing their work and it takes some time to generate vertex point. And once it's done, you can see the result on our screen, and now we can simply export this animation from the After Effects and share on the social media. If you run into any bugs or errors while using the script, definitely let me know in the comments. I'll use your feedback to fix them and make this Path Visualizer script even better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.